So maybe you've got some heavy duty sanding to do and you need a machine that's up to the task.
Well, this big old 4-inch wide belt sander from Triton might just be what you're looking for.
Let's have a look. The T41200BS is the largest portable sander in the Triton range, making it the go-to for heavy-duty tasks and rapid material removal.
Recently, we've been restoring this knackered old workbench, and this tool is our absolute go-to for cleaning up all of the surfaces.
Chuck a low-grit sanding belt in and you can strip paint, remove varnish, or just get material gone really fast. And that's both for softwoods and hardwoods. The metal base plate means you have a large surface area with a constant downward pressure, meaning you can remove material quickly and consistently.
But you can also use a higher grit belt and then use this tool to get closer to a finished surface as well. We started with a 40 grit belt and worked all the way through to 120 grit to get the surface a little bit smoother.
120 grit is absolutely fine for something like a workbench, but for furniture projects or things like that, you can get higher grits available, or you can switch over to a random orbit sander to do your finishing pass.
As well as being able to tear through pretty much anything you put in its way, there's another feature that this tool has that makes it one of our favourite handheld sanders.
The top of the unit has been cleverly designed so that when you flip it upside down, it sits completely flat on your workbench. In the box, you also have a mounting mat and some bench clamps, which means you can attach this to any table and give yourself a solid desktop sanding unit, opening up a whole world of possibilities for shaping materials.
The trigger has a lock-on button, so you don't have to keep holding it when it's in benchtop mode. This can also come in handy when you're just using it as a regular sander, because you might be able to find a slightly more comfortable grip for those longer sanding tasks.
The dust bag that comes with the sander is fine for quick sanding jobs, but if you're going to be removing a lot of material, then you're going to want to hook this up to a dust extractor. Let's take a look at what else you get in the box when you pick up your new belt sander. You'll get the T41200BS Belt Sander main unit, as well as 3 sanding belts in 80, 100 and 120 grits, a dust bag, and then you've got the 2 bench clamps and bench mounting mat for when you want to flip this over, and of course the instruction manual.
And here are the tech specs for this little beauty. It has a no-load speed range of 2,500 RPM. This is powered by a 1200 watt motor with variable speed control. The sanding area is a whopping 100 by 156 mil, or roughly 4 by 6 inches. It takes standard 610 mil sanding belts. The unit is invertible for use as a bench mounted unit using the included clamps. The unit is a comfortable size to work with, and the 6 kilogram weight helps to add some downward pressure onto your work when sanding.
So there you have it, the full rundown of the Triton T41200BS Belt Sander.
If you have any big sanding jobs or restorations or refurbishments coming up, then this sander will save you a bunch of time and get the job done super quick.
Big thanks to all of you for watching. If you want to see more tool walkthroughs, then subscribe to the Triton Tools YouTube channel.
And if you want to see more of us, then head on over to our channel, It's Brothers Make.
See you in the next one.
See you later. We actually film the intro now at the end of the whole thing. It's funny, isn't it? Sorry, funny, it's just an interesting tidbit.